Hello friends, today we will discuss trend analysis in commerce. Trend analysis in commerce is essential for evaluating past and current patterns to make informed decisions that help to improve the quality of human life, foster sustainable development, and support environmental conservation. By understanding trends, businesses, policymakers, and society can anticipate challenges, respond proactively and create strategies that balance economic growth with social and environmental needs. Addition to quality human life. Trend analysis allows identification of important shifts in areas such as healthcare, education, and employment by examining historical data and emerging changes. This helps to allocate resources efficiently, improve services, and create targeted programs that directly benefit the well being and living standards of individuals and communities. For example, analyzing healthcare trends and guide public health policy and resources resource allocation resulting in the better prevention and treatment programs that improve population health outcomes. So it covers health aspect of the population. Contribution to sustainable development. In commerce, trend analysis supports sustainable development by helping organizations and governments to balance economic, social, and environmental interests. It enables businesses to identify opportunities for innovation, digitalization, and adoption of green practices. Green practices means less harm to trees, less cutting of trees, such as eco-friendly product development or responsible supply chain management that promote long-term viability without compromising future generations' need. Policymakers rely on trend analysis to anticipate future societal demands, guide policy formulation, and initiate projects that support inclusive growth while protecting natural resources. Its impact on environmental conservation, monitoring trends in production, resource use, and consumer demand helps businesses and governments to implement strategies that reduce environmental harm. Trend analysis can reveal patterns of resource consumption, waste generation, and emission levels, offering opportunities to optimize operations for efficiency and sustainability. Businesses can then invest in greener technologies, promote circular economy models, and adopt practices such as renewable energy use or minimization or waste management that align with environmental conservation goals. So we can say that overall trend analysis in commerce connects data-driven decision making with strategies that enhance human life, encourage sustainable social progress, and protect the environment for present and future generations.